Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the devices. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and signed into the same Apple ID as your Apple Watch. Open the Watch app and tap the My Watch tab to view paired devices. Once done, confirm Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled so the app can communicate with the watch. This prevents delays and shows current status. Now you're ready to find the shutdown option remotely. Keep the app open and follow the next steps. You'll access the watch's power controls through the Watch app. Tap My Watch, then General, and look for a shutdown or power option. Some Watch OS versions expose controls differently, so be attentive. If the option isn't obvious, use the app's shortcut to open the watch's control center remotely or send a command that brings the screen up. Make sure the watch is reachable. If the app can't connect, switch to Find My to ping the device so it becomes responsive before you attempt shutdown. You'll complete the process by tapping Shutdown and confirming when prompted. You should see the watch screen go black and remain off. If the watch doesn't respond, try a force restart by pressing and holding the side button and digital crown together for about 10 seconds, then retry shutdown once it boots. If those steps fail, connect the watch to its charger for 5 to 10 minutes. Low battery can block shutdown, then attempt the controlled shutdown again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.